so it's just a water source heat, and we're switching over to electric. Efficiency is extremely important to us, and we've got really skilled installers. So this is our first one out of this building, but we've seen that we're definitely going to be able to do 2 in a day here. All right, so we got some AquaTherms from 1995 that we were switching out to electric heat pumps. Yeah, so one of the fun parts about switching from AquaTherm over to heat pumps, we got our breaker box back there. Got to run that high voltage wire up through the ceiling, all over to our air handler over here. Yeah, so as opposed to coming in with a hammer, taking that to the drywall, what we do is we cut it at a 45-degree angle. That way it's super easy to just pop back in, leave as little of a mess, as little to deal with for the apartment as possible. So the thing about switching over from AquaTherm to heat pump is heat pumps, you got to put in some new breakers, run some new wires. So that can end up being pretty destructive to the property if it's not being done super well. So what we did here is we opened up the wall right there. We got our new breakers, ran our wire, and then come over here, just fish that wire all the way around. Only opened up the drywall in a couple places, and then straight down into the air handler right there. We got the old pad right here. Every replacement we do, we're going to replace it with a new pad. The thing about the heat pumps is they keep getting bigger and they need new pads. As I mentioned, we always replace the pads. There's a nice fresh pad right there. Yeah, so as any apartment manager will know, things get pretty insane in the summer. You got a lot of systems going down. You're hoping to get someone out there as quickly as possible, and sometimes that just doesn't happen. So we're out here doing this job in December. We're going to be doing a lot more work in the shoulder season, just meaning essentially not the summer. When things get really hectic in Georgia. So we want to do as much of this work as possible during the cooler times of the year. Yeah, I'm Sam from Dayco Systems Heating and Cooling. If you work in an apartment and you need help with your HVAC, give me a call.